I'm going to start this lecture series for hire purchase system. First of all, we will try to understand what is hire purchase system. Hire purchase system is a system of purchasing any precious or costly asset in such a way that initially a payment is made which is known as down payment, and balance amount is to be paid by the hire purchaser to the hire vendor in agreed installments. Sometimes these installments include interest and sometimes does not include interest. We have to calculate separately. Until and unless all the installments are paid to the installment to the hire vendor, the ownership cannot be transferred. The person who buys is known as hire purchaser, and the person who sells under this system, under hire purchase system, is known as hire vendor. You can see here hire purchaser and hire vendors. Hire purchase price. Hire purchase price is the amount payable by the hire purchaser to the hire vendor to obtain the ownership of the asset purchased under hire purchase system. It includes the entire amount. It includes both the cash price and interest. Down payment. Down payment is the initial amount to be paid by the hire purchaser to the hire vendor. It is the amount paid by the hire purchaser at the time of entering into the hire purchase agreement. It is the initial amount paid by the hire purchaser. Installment. Installment is the amount paid by the hire purchaser at regular interval up to a certain period of time. It is known as installment. It is also hire purchase installment.